Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tuner report for Drew in Georgia on this Superstar SS-158edx. These are beautiful radios, dual final radios. Drew said he was going to run this totally barefooted, never run an amp, so we've set it up accordingly. It's got the tuning alignment, wideband receive, high cut filter. The high cut filter, we checked with Drew, he wasn't going to use his Roger beep, so right there it is. Big difference. Alright, electrolytic caps and the Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade. So we're going to start and show you here from the 25 watt slug, the carrier. Right at 10 watts of carrier. So let me show you average power swing. 24 bird, 50 watt slug and peak. 50 watts. So 10 watt carrier swinging to 50. That's a 1:5 ratio. So you'll be about 125% positive peaks, Drew. It's going to sound good, going to work good. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.